Wildlife Animal Removal, Collin County. Noticed your garbage strewn around every dawn? Your garbage cans are attracting wildlife raiders. At AAAC Wildlife Removal, we're committed to providing top-notch wildlife removal services. Call us today. Our skilled technicians are professional, friendly, and on time. We'll take any step necessary to deal with the culprits. Understanding the problem is the first step, and we're here to help with that. Your mornings are about to get a whole lot cleaner. Once you see the results, you'll know you've made the right choice. AAAC Wildlife Removal of Collin County, 972-542-1707. https collin-county.aacwildliferemoval.com/ 4610 County Road 862 McKinney, Texas 75071.